Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How to configure Excel's times and dates. As we all know, Excel's times and dates can be a point of frustration. Here we have a date, Thursday, January 31st, 2019. It's a random date, means nothing. We want to format this thing. We can use some formulas, but it may be easier just to use the custom format available in the dialog box. Let me show you how this works. It's very simple. Here's the format codes, just different formats to present different layouts. This is just format. That's all it is. It has nothing to do with this date. Here's the date as shown in the formula bar. It's 1/31/29 at 7:42 p.m. We're just going to copy this down. Was that 16 rows? Just going to change the format. This is the current format under date, and this will be probably long date. We don't want to go into long date. We want to break this up. This is how we do it. Hit Ctrl+1, go to custom, and hit M. Hit OK. In the background, you're going to see that the date is set, but we can reformat based on this custom format. You want to change Thursday, January 31st, 2019 to Thursday. Just go in and you're going to want to put in, enter DDD. Hit Ctrl+1 right here, Ctrl+1, just type DDD. You can do the same thing for 7:42 p.m. Here's the format you want to insert. Lastly, let me point out, if you hit formula text, there's no formula. You're going to get an NA. Why? Well, because there's no formula. So this is the custom format. It's just presentation only. Essentially, there's no formula. It's however you want your date or time to look. We have this Thursday, January 31st, 2019. Should show 7:53, etc., etc. What we need to do is go up here, date, long date, and see that's not even set right. This should be set up in a different format. What do? Ctrl+1, custom, AM, PM. You see where it says 131? Well, we don't want that, but we can take this data. You see here where it says Thursday, January 2019. We can look at this M date. Well, we want Thursday, January 2019. Look here, we just changed this. It's 4 Ds, day, year. And here we have Thursday, 01/2019, 7:42. I don't know about that. This is how we format it. We hit month, day, comma, year, hours, minutes, AM, PM. We have January 31st, 2019, 7:42 p.m. Hit OK. That's a custom format. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.